Hello, this is Attorney Patterson Weaver with Peakstone Law Group. The topic we have for today is a common question that mixes up clients all the time. It's what is the difference between a DUI, DWAI, and a DUID in Colorado? We lawyers are almost as bad as the Army. We like to throw around a lot of acronyms and they can get pretty confusing. So first of all, DUI stands for driving under the influence. Now, that means that somebody is substantially incapable of operating a motor vehicle, either because of alcohol or drugs or both. But the key to the idea of DUI is being substantially incapable, and it's either mentally or physically of safely operating a motor vehicle. It's a pretty high standard for a DUI. Now, a DWAI in a lot of states is called a DWI, but here in Colorado we call it a DWAI. Don't ask me why, no idea, we just do. DWAI stands for driving while ability impaired. It means that somebody is driving under the influence of either alcohol or drugs or both, so that their ability to safely operate a motor vehicle is impaired even to the slightest degree. Now that is just a little bit. So if somebody has, in theory, a single beer, and that beer impairs them even to the slightest degree, just a smidgen, that technically would make them guilty of driving while ability impaired, which we call DWAI. Now, DUID is a term, it stands for driving under the influence of drugs. DUID really can apply to either a DUI or a DWAI. The concept is, though, when you add the D, it's just for us attorneys of the courts to understand that the allegation doesn't have to do with alcohol, which is the most common type of DUI charge, but rather it has to do with the allegation of drugs. Now, in Colorado, of course, the most common one we see is marijuana, but a DUID can result from supposed or alleged impairment from anything from marijuana to cocaine to methamphetamine to things that you wouldn't normally think of, like prescription medications taken according to the recommendations, the orders of your doctor. But that's what DUID is. It has to do with the idea that the DUI stems from drugs and not alcohol. Hopefully this helps clear that up a little bit for folks. If you're facing one of these types of charges in Colorado Springs or the surrounding area, our law firm, Peakstone Law Group, is based in Colorado Springs, and we'd love to talk to you. We've had a lot of these cases. We're very good at them. And we'd be pleased to talk to you to see if we can help you out with your case. Also, we have a lot more information about DUI type charges on our website. That's peakstonelaw.com. Peakstone Law is all one word, so peakstonelaw.com. Check it out. There might be more information there that will be helpful to you. And again, love to talk to you if you're facing a situation that needs some help with. Thanks so much. Have a great day.